Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. Today I'm not going to be doing a classic COT review. I've realized that we are actually still behind. You may know that CFTC has suffered a cyber-related incident, some sort of cyber attack, and because of that, they could not publish COT reports for a couple of weeks. Now, on February 24, they stated that they are actually going back to issuing these reports, and probably by mid-March, we should be back up to date. So that's a few more weeks. But in the meantime, for those who have been regularly watching COT data and analyzing the reports, I realized that I should point out that we have the iCOT Intraday Indicator, which is an indicator that we developed. It is not using the direct COT data CFTC publishes, but the basis of the indicator was put together following the concepts of classic COT analysis. If you've been following me the past couple of months, I have been regularly speaking about the iCOT Intraday Indicator and its new version, the iCOT with after signal. Basically, it is an indicator that we developed after many years using AI and other methods to really create a unique indicator that mimics COT analysis, but it goes down into the intraday timeframes. Now, of course, it's meant for intraday help. You can use it on very short time frames. So it's a great supplemental tool to classic COT analysis. So this is the iCOT intraday indicator. We show you the different signals. Basically, these commercial speculators lines are our own score lines, so they're not actual COT charts. You can see it's a 1 minute candlestick chart of gold in this example chart, and but essentially we are measuring stress levels in the market. And because of that, I think it's a good idea for me to show you an example, a very classical market, silver, a commodity that we have a COT report on. And you can see that basically with iCOT scores, this indicator, you can actually get a very close tool. Obviously not showing exactly what COT report is showing, but this is a weekly candlestick chart. Okay, and the reason I've chosen weekly is obviously because the reports, the classical COT reports, are coming on a weekly basis. So every candlestick that you see here is representing 1 week. So and you can see that basically the indicator is actually pretty accurately showing you major shifts in the trend. So obviously we've got this huge top around $50. You can see that we are getting bearish extremes. I almost said COT extreme, but I mean iCOT extremes. Okay, so it is a very unique indicator from COTBASE.com. We are super proud that we managed to put it together. Really, we've spent at least 5 years developing this indicator, and I think it's very helpful, especially now that we don't have up-to-date data from CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So as you can see, and I'm going to show you a few examples, just as we're reaching this top, we are getting bearish readings. As we are reaching the lows here, we are getting beautiful bullish extremes from the market. So again, because we've put together this indicator using the knowledge that we have from classic COT analysis, I strongly believe that while we are waiting for CFTC to come back up to date, you can actually benefit by using this indicator. Okay, and I'd like to highlight and underline 100 million times, this is not data from CFTC, but the way we put it together is actually based on the notions and knowledge in classic COT analysis. So if you're interested in this indicator, then please give it a try. You can just put a comment underneath the video if you have questions, or you'd like to reach us. Just send us an email to info@cotbase.com. So of course that is our website, cotbase.com. We basically work with COT data and everything connected to that. But throughout the years, we realized that there's a bunch of traders who actually trade in a shorter time frame, or use classic COT analysis to really understand the longer term picture. But then by switching to the iCOT intraday indicator or the iCOT intraday indicator with after signal, then actually you can really put the two together and make a very good a system that could help you with your trades, your investment decisions. So again, I appreciate your attention. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Let's wait for CFTC to be back up to date. Rest assured, our systems are always monitoring CFTC database, and we will update everything here as soon as CFTC is back up to date. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you guys a wonderful weekend. And yeah, follow us on YouTube and Facebook and all that. I never say this, but actually I understand that I should. If you can subscribe and hit the like button, that would definitely mean a lot for us, the YouTube channel, and expanding our services and reaching more and more people. So if you do that, we truly appreciate it. Wishing you guys all the best. Take care and see you next time. Bye.